forgot. So when you guys are on the job and you don't want to make an excuse to just hop over to eat fast food, hey, the stuff you can do that's super fucking healthy, that's great. Like, the night before, I soaked and cooked some beans and rice, put some curry spice. Super simple. Fill it up. When I first put the rice and beans in, it was probably around here, and then it expanded all the way up to the top. Rinse it, cook it, done. Salt, coconut oil. Let that cook for a good little while. It's gonna be fucking great. So I've let this cook so far for about 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna pour a good amount of curry powder on there. Now it's important to pour the curry powder while it's cooking so the curry powder can get into that rice and stuff. Good amount of salt. I fucking love my salt. Okay, so it cooked for another 20 minutes. Even more meaty and more protein filled with flaxseed. Flaxseed is going to make it more of a meatier, nutty taste. It also helps your brain and your skin, reduce free radicals, help anti-aging. It's good stuff, you know? Good stuff. Threw in an avocado and even soaked and sprouted some chickpeas to put on top. Right? Even brought a hard-boiled egg I could throw on top. Now, that's a fucking meal. I got all my protein. Dude, this is life protein, not dead protein. So yeah, you can go get your hamburger and shit like that and mush it up with some gluten-y hamburger bun. Or you can get stuff that's more easily digestible and just gives you energy throughout the day so you don't feel lethargic after lunch. Better idea. Make sure to follow and subscribe, because I'm always hacking live.